SunTec is based out of Technopark, and I've been part of SunTec for the last 22 years. When I did my engineering, I had an option to go to Bangalore, and I also had an option to work here. I got this opportunity to work in SunTec soon after my graduation, and I thought that was a great opportunity because I did not have to move out of my town and my comfort. IT has been a great career choice for me because I feel that it is a place where women can really excel. So when this pandemic struck, IT was one of the fields where you could actually resume your business, your work without being impacted. You could work from home the very next day itself when the lockdown was announced. So we had that privilege. We did not even lose one day of work thanks to all the IT and technology advancements. Again, balancing work and life during the pandemic has been easy because we could work remotely, attend to the family when the family needed us most, and still manage everything that we could do. So that flexibility also helped because I have a career in IT. I'm sure a lot of people in IT would recognize that benefit. I work in the banking domain, so we have international clients. So I got a lot of opportunities to interact with international and national clients. And for me, that has been a great advantage being here. Now, IT has been really a good career choice. I said that because it's a very advanced field. You have a lot of opportunities and technology is always at your aid.